Problem-solving skills. Problem-solving skills are among the top skills employers are looking for. But why do employers value it so much? It's important because 1. It enables you to overcome obstacles on your own. 2. It encourages creative and new ideas. 3. It increases a team's potential in the workplace. All of this is impressive to a company searching for a new employee. So how can you improve on your problem-solving skills? Follow the next 4 steps to solve a problem successfully. 1. Identify the problem. 2. Think of several solutions. 3. Pick the best solution. 4. Test the solution out. Let us explain it in more detail, step by step. Tip 1. Identify the problem. To solve a problem, you need to read through the problem carefully to start with. Try not to solve it before you understand the whole issue first. Remember, patience is key. Tip 2. Think of several solutions. Brainstorming several ideas is essential for generating lots of ideas. Whilst it can be done individually, it is more often practiced in groups. Ask a friend or family member to help you out. Tip 3. Pick the best solution. Think about each option and decide which is the best. Think about what might happen if you do this and make sure that your solution will produce the best results. Tip 4. Test the solution out. It is essential to test the solution and see if you have solved the problem. If solved, well done you. But if not, go back to your options and choose another one. Don't be put off by failure. Try again until you succeed. For further support, contact us. post@profi.cymru, @cynllunprofi. Thank you for watching.
Created using Powtoon.